SDK.finance, we bring fintech products to life. User profile and customer support. This section is a central hub where users can edit their personal details and contact information, upload passwords and tax IDs, and even request KYC verification. In the Notification Center, users can view messages and customize their preferences for receiving notifications. The Pricing Plans feature offers users a diverse array of pricing options. Users can easily review the fees associated with transactions and withdrawals within their selected plan. These pricing plans are fully customizable, empowering businesses to tailor them to their individual requirements and objectives. Settings allow users to set up two-factor authentication or biometric authentication in the system for access security. Below, users can easily change the password, manage credentials, set up the app language, and close their profile. In the support section, users can easily initiate a chat with the customer support team for assistance with any issues they encounter. SDK.finance. We bring fintech products to life.